Hi, I'm Rachel, introducing you to Slipstick's 2-inch or 50mm rubber wheels that come in a set of 4 for use on any furniture that you want to roll. These wheels come with 2 attachment methods and are an easy DIY project. The rubber-coated wheels will protect hard-surfaced floors and roll easily on wood floors and low-pile carpet. The wheels can be attached via a plate or spigot into a chair and come complete with all hardware. If you have a chair that needs wheels, this is the product for you. For chairs, the spigot attachment is required. Drill a 3/8 inch hole and then tap in the spigot sleeve with a hammer. Place the long end of the spigot into the sleeve. The 5/16 inch spigot will need a tap in. Then place the wheel over the spigot and apply pressure. You will hear a click when it's located down. Repeat for the 3 other wheels and the job is done. You now have a rolling chair and a protected floor. For wooden cabinetry and carts, there is a plate that can be attached to all 4 corners. Mark the position of the plate holes, then drill a 1/8 inch or 3mm hole in 4 places. Then replace the plate and screw in the screws provided. Repeat for the other 3 wheels and the job is done. Rolling is easy and the rubber-coated wheels also protect the floor's surface. Slipstick's rubber wheels will hold up to 264 pounds or 120 kilos per set and are backed by our 5-year warranty.